Hello and welcome to another project log. Today I am bringing you my interpretation of the Burnley and Trowbridge apron sew-along. I did the exact same treatment for the bottom and the sides, just whip stitching the hem, but instead of doing the same treatment for the top, I actually folded mine back about 5 inches, and the reason why I did that is in case I want to lengthen the apron later on. I pinned down my selected area and pinned back the hem, and prepared it by lining up the stripes to be able to whip stitch it all together. And I honestly am pretty proud of this just because it looks pretty seamless, and that's an accomplishment. Using your standard gathering stitch, I'm pulling the gathers across the fabric. If you note the pin with the red top, that marks the middle of the apron that is very important because you're going to need that to line up your waistband. Heading back to my loom, I wove myself some tape ties. I think if I were to do this project again, or just make another apron, I would probably make a waistband with the same fabric and only use the ties as ties. This time I used the tape for the entire thing, and I like the look, but I think I would prefer it with the fabric all the way through. Here I just back stitched it on, and with the white thread and the white stripes of the ties, it's actually pretty invisible, which is nice to look at from the front.